and safe and smooth landing. Welcome to Los Angeles. The local time is 5:40. We will be taxiing for the next few minutes. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened, and I'll carry on out of the stowed until the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off. At this time, please ensure you have all of your personal belongings. Please take care when opening overhead compartments, as contents may have shifted during the flight. Once inside the terminal, please check airport monitors for current connecting gate information. On behalf of United, the Star Alliance, and your entire flight crew, thank you for flying with us today. We look forward to serving you again on another United flight. Once again, aloha and mahalo.
Same announcement as Continental. Just landed in LAX. We're arriving from Honolulu. Boeing.
For those customers issued an infant wine vest, please leave it on the seat when you deplane.